Hello everyone, hope you are doing great and staying safe. In this video, I'll be talking about how to deal with uncertain situation and changes at work and in life. The lessons that I'll be sharing is taken from the book Who Moved My Cheese, written by Dr. Spencer Johnson. In today's situation, what the world is going through, dealing with changes and uncertainty at work and in life has become very important for all of us. And that is one of the most difficult thing for us to do. In this book, cheese is referred to as metaphor, which can be a good relationship, a good job, or any goal that you have currently. For people, those who are going through difficult change at work and in life, if you know someone who is stuck in a rut and just can't move forward, then this book is for you. 10 important lessons that I learned from the book Who Moved My Cheese by Dr. Spencer Johnson. Change is the only constant. This book is for people, those who are afraid of dealing with changes at work and in life. So if you are someone who wants to read and know about how to deal with changes, then this book, Who Moved My Cheese, is for you. This book is a very short read which you can complete in couple of hours. The story is about 4 characters: Sniff, Scurry, Hem and Haw. Here cheese is referred to as metaphor that can be a good job for you, good health, great relationship, or anything that you are anything that you really want in your life. So 10 important lessons that I learned from this book is: number 1, if you do not change, you become extinct. So keep on changing yourself with the surrounding. Number 2, know what you would do if you are not afraid of anything. Write down on a piece of paper what you would do if you are not afraid of any failure or any rejections in your life. Number 3, smell the cheese often so that you get to know when it is getting old. This means that keep checking your surrounding and be aware of the changes that are going to happen. Don't be surprised or amazed with the changes that come in your life, at work or in life. Number 4, when you move beyond your fear, you feel free. When you are fearless, when you are not afraid of doing anything, when fear is not stopping you from doing anything, you feel free and you are able to give your 100% in whatever you are doing. Number 5, imagining myself enjoying the cheese even before I find it leads me to it. This means that even if you have not achieved what you want to, think that you have achieved, imagine, visualize it, and you will eventually achieve what you want to achieve in your life. Number 6, the quicker you let go of old cheese, the faster you find new one. If you keep on holding your past, if you keep on holding relationship, friendship, anything that you could not achieve, you will never be able to move on in your life. So whenever you meet failure, learn from it, let it go, and keep exploring something new that life has to offer to you. Number 7, old belief will not lead to a new change. If you see a plan or idea that is not working for you, change it. Change and experiment with new ideas, change the way you are working towards your goal, and maybe that can lead to a new change in your life too. Number 8, noticing small changes that are going to come can help you be prepared for bigger changes that are going to happen in your life, both at work and in personal life. So be prepared, look for the changes that are going on near you and be prepared for it. Number 9, what you are afraid of is never as bad as you think it is. The fear that you build in your mind is something that helps you be afraid. If you let go of that fear, the change or whatever situation you come across in life will not be difficult to manage. Number 10, move with the cheese. Life does not stop and neither should you. Hope you enjoyed these 10 learnings from this book. I hope you are able to accept changes at your work and in life better. Read this book thoroughly if you want to know in detail what it talks about. And thank you so much. Hope you like this video. Comment below what you do to deal with changes that happens in your life.